my friends, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are having a great day so far. This video was long overdue in the sense that it's just been sitting in the drafts waiting to be edited for weeks now, but here she is in all her glory. I loved how this look turned out, actually, and yeah, I can't wait to show it to you guys, so let's get into it. First off, we're just going right into the eyes. If you couldn't already tell, my eyebrows are done before this, just to make it a little easier on myself. But I went in with that light pink shade. At first, I thought maybe I wanted to start with a taupe, but then I was like, you know what? We'll build it up real gradual. So we'll start with the pink, and then we'll get into the taupe, etc., etc. Like I said in the intro, this video is old, like it's been in my drafts for a while, and so there's a lot that's gone on I would love to catch you up on. I actually just got back from a girls' trip that I did vlog the entirety of. It was just like a lot of shopping, a lot of casual time, hanging out at the B&B. We honestly had the best time ever. I'm gonna save the details for the actual vlog, but we truly had a blast, and it was much needed. So that was the last few days. Kiddo also just finished his first year of school, which was a lot of emotions. It hurt my feelings a little bit, to be honest. And so now we're on summer break, and I've kind of made the decision that I'm going to do my best to try and stream every single day of summer vacation. So far, I am like 3 for 3 or 4 for 4. I don't know how many days it's been, but I've been doing it every single day. I've been having an absolute blast. I love streaming so much. If you guys like The Sims 4, please come check out my gaming channel. I'm doing a lot over there, like I said, streaming literally every day. I'm interrupting the voiceover really quick because I was watching the season finale of You, and my face cracked me up so bad. I was obviously very sucked in and very concerned, and I felt like it needed to be included because it was just, you could tell, like I was genuinely, I was there, I was feeling it. But anyways, my Discord is becoming geared also towards more gaming content, so it's really just like a community. It's just a place you can come hang out in, and I'm really proud of it. I also have my gaming YouTube channel, so if y'all like that more like landscape, I guess, kind of long form content, I post all of my walkthroughs of my finalized builds. I'm doing more so builds right now on stream, but I am getting to a point where I think it would be really fun to remake the characters that are already in the game, and like curate our own little townsmen, our townspeople. But for now, we're just doing builds. I'm having a lot of fun with that, and I've been posting the walkthroughs on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, so the content is everywhere, y'all. I am everywhere. And to be honest, I won't lie that it has left less time for makeup, but I'm really enjoying what I'm doing right now, and I was kind of just really, my goal was just to get back to a place in my heart and in my mind where I was just excited and happy to create, no matter what that looks like. I still love doing makeup, and I honestly think gaming is giving me even like a fresher perspective into makeup. I'm just taking so much pressure that I put on myself, but I'm just taking that pressure off by being able to game and like divert my attention somewhere else. I'm coming back to makeup with a clearer mind. So at this point in the look, I've done all the shadowing and I did my eyeliner. By the way, the flower nose eyeliner is actually so good. I'm obsessed. I'm probably going to order both the brown one and the black one again because they really are just so good. They're so fine tipped. Like I get such a good wing off of them. But at this point, I'm just doing cheetah spots. And I was doing this with a little brush and some water activated liner. The water activated liners that I use are discontinued. The brand no longer exists, unfortunately, but if you are interested, water activated liners are sold by a number of brands now, so go forth. I'm a girly pop with a little bit more of a deep set crease, so I tend to avoid doing spots or eyeliner or designs on the part of my eye that's going to disappear when I open it, essentially, so that way it doesn't get ruined. So if you notice that some of the spotting is kind of like a weird shape where it just looks kind of strange, That's why. While I was filming this, my sweet baby child was playing Fortnite, and you have to hear this.
Hi guys, it's me, Felix, and I did great, and in time I lose this game. And correct.
Y'all, he was literally sitting there like he was on a YouTube video on his little channel. He said, "Hey guys, it's me." He had his whole little intro. My cup runneth over. I love him so much. So the little tiny container that I showed right before I did my foundation is a sample that I got from my work. And it's of the Patrick Ta foundation. I got the shade, I think it's like 6 Neutral or something like that. It's amazing. I could not believe how like dewy and skin-like and stunning my base turned out. I was really impressed. I wasn't sure about how long it lasted, so I'll have to give it another try, but so far I'm pretty impressed. It was light coverage and it didn't feel too heavy or like it was clogging my pores at all, which is a huge thing for me. I hate feeling caked in my foundation, so I'll have to do another test wear and then I will give you guys my full thoughts on the Patrick Ta foundation. You can tell when I've been out of the game for a little while because the mirror stays taking over everything I'm trying to do. But I finished up my base, my like bronzer and contour, and then I started working on the inner corner liner, and I decided to do it off camera because it was a serious struggle. I'm not very good at it. I think it pulled together in the end, but ultimately I was like, wait, we're not recording this. Like, I will just take the L. So, but this is the finished look. I felt hot, not gonna lie. There's something about cheetah print. I think the eyeliner was doing it for me too. I've been feeling really good in a wing lately. But I have loved you, and this is where I shall leave you. If you guys enjoyed, please subscribe. Please find me on my other socials. My gaming account too, like I said, I hyped that up enough. But I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!